Jasmine, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys for being here.
So, why did you cry? What was that moment?
Just so overwhelmed by everyone's presence and ang dami kasing, I don't know, I guess I'm just, ang tagal nang, there was a launch, an official launch for an endorsement, so having something this big happen after so long, it's overwhelming and parang nakakabigla ulit, like it feels like I'm new again and you know, although I've been only in this industry for 4 years, it feels like I'm starting again and I feel so fresh again.
And, Jasmine, I'd like to say this is a major thing, you know. I think you've come into your own, you know, as a major star and endorser with this product launch.
Thank you so much. Well, that's exactly what our goal was, to establish who I am as an individual and be known for who I am talaga.
Okay, someone separate from a famous sister.
Exactly, and you know, I'm not afraid to say that because I am someone different from her, so I'm just glad that people are noticing that and I'm given the opportunity to show that, and regardless or not if that happens, I feel it, so yun yung pinaka-importante.
Nagsisimula ka, parang sa yung one of your dreams to have yung many endorsements. Unti-unti nang natutupad yung pangarap.
Yes, and I am so thankful to God because hindi nawawala yung spark sa mga tao. You know, they're still interested, they're still you know, contacting us for projects and endorsements. So, praise God, tuloy-tuloy siya. Hindi siya, ano yun, bumababa. Hindi siya nagla-landslide.
Okay. Pero yung ate mo, napakadami ng mga endorsement, madami ng mga commercials. And yet, ito sumusunod ka. Hindi rin malayo magkaroon ng comparison uli between you and your sister.
Well, if it's gonna be a comparison of endorsements, okay lang. At least may endorsements ako, diba?
Jasmine, hindi lang ng Philippines, pati Indonesia and Vietnam, na-invade mo na rin.
Yes, well, Indonesia and Vietnam are also gonna have an airing of this commercial, so that's why it's even more overwhelming because it's not just on a national stage, it's on a regional stage.
Okay. Has it become like a family joke that you're endorsing competing products?
Well, we just noticed it actually na she has skincare, I have skincare, you know, everything's almost similar, but that's just how it works. Lagi namang may competing product ng isang brand, diba? So, ganun din talaga if you're sisters.
Okay.
Jasmine, how do you support each other sa ups and sa downs ng career niyo?
Just, we listen to each other, we comfort each other at home. We don't actually say much when we comfort each other, we just show that we're there.
Okay. So what do you think of Anne as a mermaid?
I'm very proud of her. I know it's every girl's dream, and she's played a mermaid before, but now she plays as her character is solely a mermaid. Talaga siya yung Jezebel. So happy ako, and everyone's excited, and it's creating such a buzz. So congrats to Anne.
Pangarap niya daw yan? Pangarap mo rin bang maging mermaid? So.
Hindi kasi ako marunong lumangoy. So baka
sa kanya na lang yan.
Sa kanya na. Sa kanya yun.
So, daan na lang yan sa'yo.
Pwede naman. If the time comes.
Jasmine, sa first movie mo, nag-aral ka ng Hebrew, and then this time dalawang bagong language ang inaral mo.
Yes.
Ano yung pinakamahirap aralin?
I think it would have to be Vietnamese because meron silang specific intonation na pag hindi mo sinunod, nag-iiba yung word. And ano siya, basta it has that, ibang-iba siya kasi bahasa Indonesia is very similar to Tagalog. And Hebrew naman has that accent na from the throat, which is similar to French, which I studied in Australia. So it was easy for me to kind of cope with that. So Vietnamese is kind of parang may pagkangongo.
Okay.
Nice.